Hi everyone, I'm back with a new episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to withdraw on Prizepicks. In order to withdraw on Prizepicks, you just have to follow the steps. So for that case, first of all, you need to request. You could do this by requesting a withdrawal. So to request a withdrawal, you need to go to the home page and tap on the menu bar icon. Next thing you want to do is scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to find this option as Withdrawal Request. When you press that, you'll be taken to this page where you have to go ahead and click on Withdraw Funds. As you click on Withdraw Funds, you could see that your account is not eligible for withdrawal. Now this appears when you don't have enough funds. Make sure to add enough funds and then come back to the same page. If you don't see this option or if you don't see this statement, that means you have enough funds and you are eligible to withdraw. Now go to withdrawal history. Next thing you want to do is scroll down a bit and go ahead and enter the exact amount that you want to withdraw. Select the destination type, all of that, confirm it. With that, you'll have successfully withdraw funds. That was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.